Hi everyone. Today I have Brad's AcuTron pellet stove controller on my workbench. Brad sent it to me because he was having some problems with the Auger drive. Sure enough, when I received it, it was having Auger problems and it was having igniter problems. So I replaced a few components on the circuit board, and I believe I've got all those going, so it's ready to final test. I've got it connected to my tester right now, and when I power it up, I anticipate that my four light bulbs will come on. My four light bulbs simulate the different motors and igniters. This one simulates the igniter, the combustion blower, the auger motor, and the convection fan. So when I turn it on, all the lights will come on, and then I can cycle through the auger running, and I can increase the intensity of the convection fan. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'll also note that I'll cycle through the lights on the controller here. So I'll go ahead and do that now, turn it on. And sure enough, there's my four lights. And you can see I've got the little auger light there, indicator flashing on and off when the auger light, the yellow one, comes on. So let's wait for a cycle of that to happen. And there it is. You can see that they both come on. So I've got the igniter on, I've got the combustion fan blowing, and I have the convection fan on low. If I cycle through the lights here, I don't know if you can see it clearly. Yeah, you can kind of see it. As I cycle through the convection lights speed, I can make that light go on brighter and brighter. And with the controller, I can also go ahead and cycle through the red lights on the controller to determine how long the pellet drive is going to happen. So I'll go ahead and turn it off, and I'll return the controller to its owner. Thank you very much, Brad. I appreciate it. Have a good night, everyone.